Hello, let me show you how to set up alarm clock on POCO X7 Pro. In order to do this, we need to find the clock app that you can find, for instance, in the app drawer. By default, you should have 3 alarm clocks, and of course you can quickly enable and disable them by, for instance, tapping on this switcher. You can also see the information when the alarm will go off. You can also customize these alarms by tapping on them. You can set up different time, or you can go to additional settings in order to find even more options, and then you can choose when this alarm should repeat, whether it should be just one-time alarm clock, or it should repeat daily, Monday to Friday, or you can customize it and choose your own days. Then in addition to that, we can set up the vibration. We can enable vibrations for this alarm if we want to. Of course, you can also create your own alarm. Oh, and once you try to turn off the alarm, you might see this option whether you want to turn it off only once for the next day, for tomorrow, or if you want to completely turn it off. So if you want to completely turn off the alarm, you want to choose turn this repeating alarm. If you want to create your own alarm, then press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner. You can set up the time by moving up or down. You can choose between AM and PM, of course. We can choose the ringtone, when it should repeat. So once again, this looks the same. We can enable and disable vibrations and whether the alarm should be deleted once it goes off. You can also set up the label so you can name the alarm if needed, and then press this check in the top right corner in order to set it up. And if you decide to remove an alarm, then you can press and hold your finger on the alarm so that you can now start choosing which alarms you want to delete. So let's say I'm gonna remove every alarm, so you can tap on these circles on the right side, and then at the bottom you can choose to delete. And there we go, we have no alarms at all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!